What's up guys, in this video let's go ahead and check out my top 3 Web3 crypto projects that you guys could go ahead and check. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright, so I will be putting all of the links of the websites that I will be going through today. That way you could go ahead and check them out during your own time. It's going to be available in the description of the video. So first off would be Chainlink. You will see here guys, transaction value enabled 7,396,323,766,087. Wow, that's a lot of money. Okay, so connect the world's APIs to Web3 with Chainlink functions. So you can go ahead and check them out here. Connecting the world to blockchains. Chainlink is the industry standard Web3 services platform, connecting the people, business, and data of today with the Web3 of the world tomorrow. So you can go ahead and click on develop with Chainlink here if you would like to know more, explore solutions. Create Web3 value with Chainlink solutions. You have reliable, tamper-proof network, you have seamless connection to any API, proven ready-made solutions, highly reliable automation. So this is basically one of the Web3 crypto projects out there that you can explore. You can go ahead and check out this project and what it entails. The next one would be this, the Ocean. So Ocean, tools to build data markets, manage ERC-721 data NFTs and ERC-20 data assets. So build your own marketplace by forking Ocean market code. So manage ERC-721 data NFTs and ERC-20 data assets for use in DeFi. Use Ocean.js or Ocean.py to manage data NFTs and data tokens. These are like programming language or something like that. So publish and consume data services wrapped as ERC-721 data NFTs and ERC-20 data tokens. So Ethereum blockchain network. So transfer data tokens. So use ERC-20 support in Web3 and Solidity to connect data tokens with crypto wallets and other DeFi services. So developer documentations on the go-to place for more info. So when you click on this one, this is their like white paper. So what is Ocean? So Ocean provides the next generation of tools to unlock data at a large scale. So Ocean makes it easy to publish and consume data services. Ocean uses data NFTs. So those are the networks right there. You can go ahead and check out all of their information here. Let's go ahead and check out their FAQs real quick here. So Ocean Protocol is a decentralized data marketplace which gives users complete control of their data. The Ocean Protocol technology is built on smart contracts, decentralized computer scripts with no intermediary that are triggered by the users. So is my data secure? The simple answer to that is yes. So again guys, you can go ahead and check out this one. The link to this will be available in the description of the video. Also guys, if you are new in the crypto trading space, you can go ahead and check this one out. It's called Smart. Link to this will be in the description of the video. It is an automated crypto trading website and the platform currently supports Binance Exchange, but in the future it will definitely support other big exchanges. So go ahead and check this one out. Definitely you will be able to enjoy the benefits of automatic or automated crypto. All right, moving on to the next, we have Filecoin. So use Filecoin to store and retrieve data, a powerful and dynamic distributed cloud storage network for your data. So if you click on this one right here, so let's click on Docs, you'll see like a sample code right here. And then tools and services, whether you're a storage or dApp developer or just curious, there are a range of tools and infrastructure services to help you get started. So Filecoin cryptographically verifies that a unique encoding of your data exists in physical storage in the world over time. So this is another storage tool that you guys could use. So Filecoin ecosystem is looking to fund talented and eager developer teams that want to build the future of the web. So if you are like a programmer or a developer, go ahead and reach out to them. This might be a good career that you could start off and see if this is something that would benefit you in the long run. All right, so those are my top 3 Web3 crypto projects that you guys could check out. So the links to these crypto projects will be available in the description of the video. So if you're new to the channel guys, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. That way you will always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.